Welcome to the Akwa Flow Crypto Lab. The whole crypto market is about to explode, and when it will start, it will surprise everybody. We have a lot to talk about today, so let's dive into it. My name is Akwa Flow, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel if you like the content. Today we will start with the moonshot chart on the XRP against BTC chart. As you can see, we are still waiting for the moonshot cross. Both lines, the green line and the yellow line, are very close to each other. As you can see on my Twitter account, last year I said that we were waiting for the cross between the yellow line and the green line. This tweet was in October of last year, and I was saying still waiting patiently for the next cross. And at that time, we were retesting the green line again and again and again. But we knew that the real signal that we needed to have was the cross. And on this channel, I always said the same thing. We won't get any moonshot unless we have our cross. A lot of people are saying that XRP is going to the moon for each little tiny move that we get. But people shouldn't behave like this. Here we try to stay level-headed. The cross between the yellow line and the green line is the most important signal for XRP. Period. This is why we need to proceed with care right now. As I said in my last video, as soon as the two lines will touch, there are two possible scenarios. Of course, either we get a moonshot, and this is what we want, right? It will be very powerful, and we've been waiting for so long, so I think that we deserve this. It would be the ideal scenario. Either we get an epic rejection, and we will remember this for the years to come. So I sum it up. Either we have a moonshot, either we will go down like this in a very strong way. Right now, there is a nice consolidation taking place just right here after the nice local top that we have just right here. There is a beautiful support forming here with higher lows, yet there is also a nice resistance above us, preventing us from going higher. And as you can see, the consolidation zone between both lines is getting tighter and tighter, so I think that we will get a breakout soon. As I always say, I like to see the price trending above the green line. We've been above it for more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row. This is really encouraging, and I want to believe that XRP can do it. It was so hard for us to pierce the line and to stay above it. I remind you that we got rejected here, here and here, and for the very first time in a long time, we've been trending above the green line. So now it should be a support. So I can't wait to see what will happen. The lines are so close. We are almost there. We need to be patient. On the other side, we have the big picture chart, and this chart is helping us to have another perception of the XRP situation. First, the consolidation pattern is the same between the XRP against USD chart and the XRP against BTC chart. Indeed, we have this resistance with higher lows for XRP, which is good because there is some buying pressure preventing us from going lower, but at the same time, there is a selling pressure above us preventing us from going higher. And from the very beginning on this channel, I always said that I think that the green zone is the moon zone. You can watch all my previous videos related to this chart. I always said it. And on my Twitter account, do you remember this? I said the same thing. It was at the beginning of the year, and we were still just right here retesting the last resistance band. And a lot of people didn't like it at that time, but we knew that the most probable scenario was a rejection, and this is exactly what we had. So now here is the current situation. We know that we are very close to the moon zone. We are just right here, and the moon zone is here in green. And at the same time on the moonshot chart, we are very close to have a moonshot cross. And we've never been that close in 4 years. In my last video, I talked about this area of confluence that we have just right here, with the confluence point forming between the EMA, the 180 weeks EMA, and the bull market support in blue. And for the next 4 weeks to come, as you can see, let me delete those drawings. You can see that the bull market support will keep the same level for the 4 weeks to come. Okay, so I consider this area as a great opportunity for XRP to cross all these resistances. Right now, I'm not going to lie, we seem to have the same scenario that we already know from the past, meaning that we got a rejection from here, we got a rejection here, one here, another one here, and this is no surprise, we have one just right here. So to be clear, we are still in a bearish zone. We got a rejection from the EMA, the yellow line, from here and from here, and also from the red resistance circle. And right now the price is still below all these resistances, the bull market support, the resistance band, and the EMA. At home, I want you to remember this level for the next 4 weeks. It is the 55 cents level. This is a key level that we have to overcome if we want to go higher. If you see that XRP is able to break out and to go above this level, guys, it will be amazing. To finish, I wanted to share an update of the regression chart. Right now, the price is trending above the 400 weeks moving average in red and above the bottom regression line in green. We know that on the XRP against USD chart, these are our most critical supports. Right now, the moving average is around 38 cents and the bottom regression line is around 33 cents. This week, we'll keep on sharing updates of the current situation. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for the support. We are in this together, and whatever happens, we are here to support one another. So always remember this. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.